traveling for the first time can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. Did you know that over 4 billion passengers flew in 2019? That's more than half the world's population. Yet, 20% of first-time flyers find the airport experience stressful. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, you'll learn everything you need to know about navigating airports like a pro. We'll share insider tips, smart packing hacks, and even how to enjoy some luxury without breaking the bank. Imagine breezing through security, finding the best airport eats, and relaxing in style before your flight. Sounds great, right? Here's a fun fact. The world's busiest airport, Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International, handles more than 107 million passengers a year. That's over 293,000 passengers every single day. But you don't need to feel overwhelmed. With our tips, you'll feel confident and ready for anything. Ready to dive in? Let's start your journey with packing perfection, tech-savvy tips, and stylish yet comfy airport fashion. Stay tuned for exciting chapters ahead that will make your first airport experience smooth and enjoyable. Happy travels! Chapter 1. Stress-free start, packing perfection tips. Packing can be a nightmare, but it doesn't have to be. Start by making a packing list at least a week before your trip. A well-organized list helps you avoid overpacking and forgetting essentials. Did you know that 65% of travelers admit to packing items they never use? Keep your list simple. Clothes, toiletries, documents, and tech gear. Use packing cubes to save space and keep things tidy. Rolling your clothes instead of folding can prevent wrinkles and fit more in your suitcase. Don't forget to check the weather forecast for your destination. Pack versatile clothing that you can layer. Think about your shoes too. Comfortable shoes are a must for long walks in the airport. Also, invest in a good quality travel pillow for a comfy nap on the plane. A TSA-approved lock can secure your luggage and give you peace of mind. Remember, less is more. A lighter suitcase means less stress. Unique items like a portable luggage scale can save you from overweight fees. According to the FAA, airlines collected over $5 billion in baggage fees last year. Save that money for your trip. Speaking of money, keep a small amount of local currency handy for emergencies. Lastly, don't forget a reusable water bottle. Most airports have water fountains, and staying hydrated is key. Chapter 2. Tech-savvy traveler. Must-have apps and gadgets. In today's digital age, your smartphone is your best travel companion. Start by downloading essential travel apps. Google Maps is a must for navigation. Did you know it also works offline? Just download the map of your destination in advance. TripIt is great for organizing your travel itinerary. It consolidates your flight, hotel, and car rental information in one place. FlightAware keeps you updated on flight status, delays, and gate changes. It's a lifesaver if there are unexpected changes. Pack a portable charger to keep your devices powered throughout the day. Noise-canceling headphones can make your flight more enjoyable. According to a study by CETA, 77% of airports offer free Wi-Fi, so make sure you have a good VPN to protect your data. For language help, Google Translate can translate text, speech, and even images. It supports over 100 languages. If you're a book lover, consider an e-reader. It's lightweight and can store hundreds of books. Also, think about a smart suitcase. These come with built-in GPS, USB ports, and even weight sensors. Lastly, don't forget your travel adapter. Different countries have different plug types. A universal adapter covers all bases. Stay tech-savvy and make your journey smooth and enjoyable. Chapter 3. Dress to impress and relax. Airport Fashion Guide. Dressing for the airport is all about balance. You want to look good, but comfort is key. Start with breathable fabrics. Cotton and linen are great choices. Layers are your best friend. Airports can be chilly, and planes even more so. A light sweater or jacket can keep you cozy. Shoes should be comfortable and easy to slip on and off. You'll thank yourself during security checks. Sneakers or loafers are stylish yet practical choices. Avoid heavy accessories. They can slow you down at security. Instead, opt for simple, chic pieces. Did you know that wearing compression socks can help reduce swelling during long flights? They're especially useful if you're prone to leg cramps. A scarf is another versatile piece. It can double as a blanket or pillow. Stick to neutral colors for a sleek look. Accessorize smartly with a crossbody bag. It keeps your hands free and your essentials within reach. According to a survey by Statista, 36% of travelers prefer crossbody bags for convenience. Sunglasses are a must, not just for style but to shield your eyes from harsh airport lighting. For a touch of luxury, consider a stylish hat. It can hide travel hair and add flair to your outfit. Just make sure it's easy to pack or wear. Remember, your airport outfit sets the tone for your trip. Dress to impress but don't sacrifice comfort. Chapter 4. Smooth Sailing, Mastering Check-in and Security. The check-in and security process can be daunting, but with a few tips, you can breeze through it. First, check in online 24 hours before your flight. This saves time and lets you choose your preferred seat. According to the International Air Transport Association, 53% of travelers use online check-in. At the airport, head straight to the baggage drop if you've checked in online. This can save you precious minutes. Make sure your travel documents are easily accessible. A travel wallet is a great way to keep your passport, boarding pass, and other essentials in one place. For security, be prepared to remove your shoes, belt, and jacket. Liquids should be in a clear, resealable plastic bag. Each container should be no more than 100 milliliters. This rule applies worldwide, so it's best to be prepared. Laptops and large electronics must be taken out of your bag. To speed things up, avoid wearing too much jewelry or accessories. They can trigger the metal detectors. Did you know that over 60 million people passed through TSA pre-check in 2022? If you're a frequent traveler, consider enrolling in programs like TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. They offer expedited security screening. Be polite and patient with security staff. They're there to ensure everyone's safety. If you're traveling with kids, explain the process to them in advance. This can help reduce anxiety and make things smoother for everyone. Chapter 5. Lounge Luxury. Maximizing your pre-flight downtime. Airport lounges offer a slice of luxury and tranquility amidst the hustle and bustle. Many people think lounges are exclusive to first-class travelers, but that's not true. You can access lounges with certain credit cards, memberships, or even a day pass. The Priority Pass is a popular option, giving access to over 1,300 lounges worldwide. Lounges provide free Wi-Fi, snacks, drinks, and comfortable seating. Some even offer showers and nap rooms. According to the Collinson Group, 71% of travelers feel more relaxed and productive after using an airport lounge. Take advantage of the quiet space to catch up on work or read a book. Many lounges have dedicated areas for children, making it a great option for families. If you have a long layover, lounges can be a lifesaver. Use the time to refresh and recharge before your flight. To find a lounge, check the airport's website or apps like Lounge Buddy. Booking in advance can sometimes get you a discount. Remember, a relaxed traveler is a happy traveler. Spending time in a lounge can set a positive tone for your trip. Chapter 6. Gastronomy on the go. Best airport eats and treats. Gone are the days when airport food was synonymous with overpriced and underwhelming meals. Today, many airports boast an array of dining options that cater to all tastes and budgets. For instance, Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport offers over 110 food and beverage outlets. You can find everything from gourmet restaurants to quick bites. To make the most of your culinary adventure, research the dining options at your departure and layover airports in advance. Websites like Yelp and TripAdvisor offer reviews and recommendations. If you're a fan of local cuisine, look for eateries that showcase regional specialties. Healthy options are also on the rise. Fresh salads, smoothies, and organic meals are now available at many airports. According to the Global Wellness Institute, the wellness tourism sector grew by 6.5% annually from 2015 to 2017. If you're in a hurry, grab-and-go options are your best bet. Many airports have convenience stores with sandwiches, fruits, and snacks. Don't forget to treat yourself. A vacation starts at the airport, so indulge in a delicious pastry or a local delicacy. Hydration is key when traveling. Bring a reusable water bottle and fill it up once you're past security. Most airports have water fountains or refill stations. Staying hydrated helps you feel better and can reduce jet lag. Chapter 7. The Art of Waiting. Fun and productive ways to kill time. Waiting at the airport doesn't have to be boring. There are plenty of ways to make your time productive and enjoyable. First, explore the airport. Many airports have unique art installations, museums, or exhibits. For example, San Francisco International Airport has an aviation museum and library. If you're into fitness, some airports have gyms or yoga rooms. Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport offers a free yoga studio. Exercising before a flight can help reduce stress and make you feel better. Alternatively, you can walk around the terminal. Walking not only kills time but also gets your blood flowing. Reading is another great way to pass the time. Bring a book or download some ebooks or audiobooks. According to the Pew Research Center, 27% of Americans didn't read a single book in 2019. Don't be one of them. Catching up on your reading list is a productive way to spend your time. If you need to catch up on work, find a quiet spot with good Wi-Fi. Many airports have dedicated workstations or business centers. Use this time to respond to emails or finish a project. On the flip side, if you want to relax, watch a movie or catch up on your favorite TV shows, download them in advance to avoid streaming issues. Engage with fellow travelers. Striking up a conversation can lead to interesting stories and travel tips. Socializing can make the waiting time fly by. Lastly, indulge in a little self-care. Some airports have spas offering massages, manicures, and facials. Pampering yourself can be a delightful way to start your trip. Chapter 8. Gate Guru. Navigating your way to the plane. Finding your gate can be stressful, especially in large airports. Start by checking your boarding pass for your gate number. Keep an eye on the airport monitors as gates can change last minute. The Transportation Research Board reports that 15% of flights experience gate changes. Always double-check before heading to the gate. Follow the signs. Airports have clear signage to guide you to your gate. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to ask airport staff for directions. They're there to help. Use airport maps, available online or through airport apps, to familiarize yourself with the layout. Arrive at your gate early. Aim to be there at least 30 minutes before boarding. This gives you time to settle in and handle any last-minute changes. Keep your boarding pass and ID handy. You'll need them to board the plane. If you have a long walk to your gate, consider using the airport's transportation services. Many airports offer shuttle buses or moving walkways. For example, Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport has a plane train that connects all terminals. Pay attention to announcements. Important information about your flight, including boarding times and any delays, will be communicated over the PA system. If you have time, grab a snack or use the restroom before boarding. It's better to be prepared, especially for long flights. Chapter 9. First Flight Bliss. Insider tips for a comfortable journey. Making your first flight comfortable is all about preparation. Start by choosing the right seat. Websites like Seat Guru offer reviews and tips on the best seats on different planes. If you prefer extra legroom, consider booking an exit row seat. For a smoother ride, choose a seat over the wing. Dress in comfortable clothing. Soft fabrics and loose-fitting clothes are best for long flights. Layer your clothing to adjust to changing temperatures. Bring a travel pillow and a light blanket. These can make a big difference in your comfort. Stay hydrated. Airplane cabins have low humidity, which can dehydrate you. Drink water regularly and avoid alcohol and caffeine. These can contribute to dehydration. Pack a small bag with in-flight essentials. Include items like lip balm, moisturizer, hand sanitizer, and snacks. Move around the cabin periodically. Stretching and walking can prevent stiffness and reduce the risk of deep vein thrombosis, DVT. Simple exercises like ankle circles and knee lifts can help. Use noise-canceling headphones to block out cabin noise and help you sleep or relax. Stay entertained. Load your devices with movies, music, or games. A good book or puzzle can also help pass the time. If you're a nervous flyer, try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Apps like Calm offer guided meditations specifically for flying.